hums along the bakery glass. Steam curls up from a paper cup. I took the side street where the clocks run slow. Every window knows my name somehow. A woman sells postcards made of rain, says they dry into something brave. A kid chalks circles on the curb, steps inside them like they might work. I didn't come here looking to be fixed, just somewhere quiet enough to miss. And in the hush between each sound, felt my shoulders coming down. Stay here, just stay a while. Let the daylight learn your smile. If your feet forget where to land, I'll walk beside you, hand in hand. Easy now, easy, breathe it through. Nothing here is asking you if the noise has pulled you thin. This is where the calm gets in.